So in CommandCode recently they launched some of the new models within the list, and notice that the model for step 3.7 flash was added recently. So I wanted to test it with some sort of a use case, right? So to do that I have to create a folder. So I created one and I have to open terminal here. Right, next thing, I just want to focus on this folder, so I will get rid of other tabs, right? And let me open CommandCode, and here you can see currently Minimax is selected, and I have to switch to model named step 3.7, right? So I will select this, and as you can see now the model is 3.7 flash, right? So let's say if I want to give it instruction that I need to create a skill and I need to understand how to, and that process I want documented, right? So in that case we will basically give it a simple example on what sort of skill to create, right? So we will ask it to create a skill specific to, say, a readme generator with markdown file as an output. So we will say create a skill that when called within project would be able to generate readme.md file, and it would generate that file with standard output expected from project, right? So we'll be taking a look at what should be within the project, and so output expected from project documentation, right? So one, analyze, so it should, and we can say one, analyze project files, and maybe even check out those package JSON file and so on. Then it can also create the header, footer, divider for proper documentation, right? And finally 3, it should add installation usage selection. It should cover installation, usage, and other important documentation guidelines, right? And that's it. So we can create something like that. So think of it as scaffolding standalone readme file, right? So we will let it run. We will find out how good or bad this is, and considering this model is not free, I'll be charged in a decent way for creation of this skill. So hopefully it does a decent job and not tries to go out of the line to build something. So here you can see it is currently creating a new skill. So we are in a both global as well as local folder, right? So here the node says basically we are creating this particular skill as a readme generator. Now you can see it has created the skill that analyzes the project files, retakes the project type, CLI, library, etc., generates complete readme for these sections with header, table of content, features, installation, license, and so on, adapts and passes ordering based on project type, updates existing readmes, and writes on that file. Now once that is done, I have to check the folder, and here you can see the hidden folder CommandCode, then inside test.md. So they have pushed our skill in global file. So if we check the home, then we check the hidden folders, where you can see my name should be here somewhere, for exactly the user part, right? And as you can see, I navigated to the folder and the readme generator is here. That skill MD is of 327 lines, so it has generated with the decent file. However, it has done it globally. I want to keep it local, so that's one of the issue I'm currently having, that everything I made goes to global scale, right? So we have to take a look at the whole process. Here you can see existing file, since it is outside the workspace, you can see. And here you see currently we already have one skill here, so hopefully it is not damaged. And next it moved to demo docs, then it has created another skill, right? Allow demo docs. So you have to make sure that you come out of directory and make sure to start into the new one. Yet it has created it globally. I understood that part, but this looks like a tool issue rather than the model issue. Model has done its job for creating a skill. So Stepwise 3.7 Flash can use it for not just for typical TTS reasoning, but you can also create skills with it, and it is pretty decent with the type of skills that it can create.